Packaging technologies are rapidly changing, and we are adapting this by our continuous research and development. Shrink wrapping and flexible packaging is inevitable, especially if you are packing your products in the supermarket shelves. Your package must be bright, transparent, and outstanding. We do our best to finish most of the production in 3D computer designing, including to test how our design function and keep our model up to date to achieve the perfect packaging systems. My name is Mustafa Kasapoğlu. I am the Managing Director of Maripak Packaging Turkey. At Maripak, we manufacture complete solutions for very diverse capacities. We produce machines that provide simple solutions, one-step operating systems used by single operator, and we also produce fully automatic machines that are integrated into production lines. We produce everything in our factory. We do sheet metal processing, machining operations, even the painting. This gives us incredible flexibility in quality issues and cost control, which is extremely critical in such a competitive race.
Today, e-commerce is a rising market, and as a pioneer in the packaging industry, we already have solutions particularly designed for this growing field. My name is Remziye, and I'm the marketing manager of Maripak. We attend to the biggest international fairs. We have 40 plus distributors all around the world, and we have exported over 70 countries so far. We are very proud to see our machines at very distant destinations such as United States, Chile, Colombia, Vietnam, China. And our aim is to conquer the countries that we haven't been so far. And for this, we have been working intensively on our digital marketing. We are a young and dynamic team. We are talented in what we are doing, and we love our machines.
For the last 30 years, we have been developing technologies for shrink wrapping systems. Here in Maripak, we produce durable, robust, and high-quality machines. We are here as a big family with nearly 100 workers and prepared for the future to work with you.